Hi, if you are someone with a bank balance of 5 lakhs and above at any given point of time, this video is for you. According to DICGC, your 5 lakh rupees has been insured by an entity of RBI which says कि any given point of a time principal plus interest all put together अगर 5 लाख रुपीस तक कुछ होता है तो it is insured. ये पैसा आपको within 2 to 3 months ये आपको वापस मिल जाएगा. But what we need to understand is if you have multiple accounts in the same bank, then you will not give 5 lakhs each account. It is an aggregate. इस एक बैंक अकाउंट में मैक्सिमम आपको 5 लाख तक इंश्योर्ड होता है. So what should you be doing? Two very important things. One, you should be having accounts in multiple banks. Second, most important, please take note of this. It's called, you need to check the bare minimum criteria of any bank, which is called NPA, non-performing assets, which means अगर आपके बैंक का NPA 10 एंड अबव है तो प्लीज़ उस बैंक में आप इन्वेस्ट मत कीजिए, पैसा निकाल दीजिए. एंड इफ़ योर बैंक्स NPA इज़ 5 to 10 के क्राइटेरिया में है तो यू कैन हैव दैट मनी इन द बैंक, बट साल में एक बार आपको सत्यनारायण की पूजा जरूर करानी पड़ेगी. बट इफ द बैंक्स NPA इज़ फ्रॉम 0 to 5, then it is absolutely safe that you can invest in that bank. Now, how do you get to know on what is the NPA of your bank? Just Google. It's the AI world. Go on Google. Just put that the specific bank का NPA क्या है and you will get to know the NPA of your bank. And a special advice from the financial advisors desk: start investing. Invest in capital protected investment instruments. For further details, get in touch with your financial advisor. Thank you.